My stepmother, they always dey wicked me. You know the way stepmother they behave. I bear and. If I tell my dad, you no get wetin they talk, they put. So that make me come up for the house. I did 12 years when I come up for the house. Yeah, I come up for the house. Go those village people. I call now from there they suffer for start. I dey follow them, they go farm. May I for seafood eat, or follow them go farm, each all of them. Anyone will be say need help, our assistance. So now so person come to advise me say this one not be life. Me it not be life. Say okay, me I go city, me I go stay with one woman like that. So I can't go stay with the woman. So for there, I be to say the woman won't even take me go school safe. He just promised me, not be say he even fulfill. So I can't stay with them. He get 2 children, or they take care of them. I can't they there or they do all those things before one of their brother can't come the house. Me I see they fear the man. The boy won't come the house. They try me, they sleep with me. I know they agree. So you go lie for the woman, say me they insult, and the woman go start to they beat me again. No place to cry go. So I did there. The thing it does still too much. See one of my girlfriend when they call Paulina. So as the thing till they go now, you understand? As still they go now. So Paulina can introduce me to one of a friend. If the friend now they stay that place around that area. So he come meet me, tell me say he need person when won't go they work for his sister for supermarket, go they look, and the sister will see they give her something for a month. I can't be say now better work. I can't agree. So it even better pass this one when I they do so. So I can't agree to go. I don't know say not be evil because he tell me say now South Africa. I don't know say not be evil South Africa because me never come out before all my own life. Say I stay in a village, and this place when I say I stay yours now for the woman house when we say he get 2 children. So now so it prepare me. He say before I come out, I go swear say people when be say his sister don't they help like that. They know they fulfill and they will run come out. I can say you know me why they go run and not be help. They say that they thief her. They will thief his sister when they this South Africa, so they will thief her. They will run come out. So he want make me swear. So no choice. I agreed to do what he asked me for. You know tell me exactly what he say it dey happen. You say I no go take anything from the woman. Say or maybe I don't leave and come out. Say I go agree. So I agree. This way we say carry me go one when I'm a prophet self, but not be real prophet. The way they dance. So after that one, you still carry me go another place when we say they collect my pants, they can't collect hair for my armpits, even for my private parts. So they can't collect hair. So I don't know what you want use and do. Say if I run come out, he go use the whether they say he go use the hair to do something. I don't know. Maybe say I feel they mad. Nah. So the journey can start when we say na night. Not be only me one. Another people still many, but I don't know whether na the woman still they carry all those one. So na small car, all of us your park body enter inside. The car drive. You reach one place like that, fly full there. Whether na Nigeria they call there, I don't know. Fly full there. You know if you even look ground for there, say fly go enter your eye. So get what we can't rest for there because they don't dark. So get water when I drink for there. The water really purge me, not be small. You know the place, even the food when they there, you know if you eat them. So we come up for there, we can't see the waka. We still na desert. If you touch ground, the ground they hot, not be small. You see many people when we say you they see they don't die. their teeth go rotty, their teeth go just dey up. So all those things dey scare me. I never even see that talk less say I dey see all those things. I dey fear more. So we come reach one place, they come bail up us. They say that time money no dey with me again. They say we will drop money, or if you no drop money. That time sef when I dey tell you, I never even talk say I go even disvirgin. Wetin I dey talk say man wey be say go marry me na go disvirgin me. You understand? They dey ask for money, you go bring money. Me no get money. They dey search well. They even say open your breast, you go naked. They go search you, even shook hand for your toto. Say whether you hide money for inside those things. They no see. So they say if they no see, only say they will rape you. Say if they say your body you're good. So once they force me, they sleep with me. Was so painful. The other one tell this one say it dey sweet oh. The other one still come. You understand? So now so they take, so the journey just take continue. We still get some place when we still take reach. They say more that I call dey work. I no fit even work again because I never do one before. But after we don comot for there, we still enter the in-laws. So I can't dey go. We still reach one place there. Carry say more we come down. We come down with money. We no get money. They flog us with kobo. We get one bet like that. They use am beat me. Where you wan run go? If you turn back like this, the place wide. You no even get end. Sand na only sand na you see for ground. As far as I don start the journey, I no fit go back again because if I say I go make I go back, they already in-laws leave me. So na so we all take dey do until we come reach Libya. Yes, for this thing wey I call dey think, so I wish you tell me so na so the journey go be. I for no agree say I go even go.